Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to hide and lock the mouse cursor in Unity. When you first start your game, the default system cursor is still visible on the screen like this. And of course, that's something we don't want in most gameplay situations, especially in first-person projects. The command cursor.visible equals false hides your mouse cursor when the game starts, and cursor.lockState equals cursor lock mode.locked to keep it centered. It's a quick and effective method for your games. As you can see, the cursor is now completely invisible on the screen, and I can freely move the camera left and right without any obstruction. Now, let me show you a few extra tricks to enhance this cursor control. Now, I'm going to move into the update method and show you how to toggle the cursor visibility with the escape key, basically turning it on and off whenever you need. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.